Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Bitfinex. First, securely log into your Bitfinex account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section, which you can usually find in the top menu or dashboard. From there, simply select the withdraw option to initiate your withdrawal process. This initial step is crucial for accessing your funds and beginning the transfer. Next, you'll choose your withdrawal method. You can select your preferred cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or a fiat currency such as US dollars. Carefully enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw. Most importantly, provide the correct destination address for crypto or accurate bank details for fiat. Double-check these details to avoid any errors. Before finalizing, it's essential to carefully review all the withdrawal details you've entered. Confirm the amount, the currency, and especially the destination address or bank information. To secure your transaction, you will then confirm it using your two-factor authentication. Also, be aware that a small withdrawal fee, typically a fraction of a %, may apply. Finally, let's talk about processing times. Cryptocurrency withdrawals are often quite fast, typically processing within minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Fiat withdrawals, however, usually take a bit longer, often several business days to complete due to banking procedures. If you encounter any issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact Bitfinex support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.